Come test drive the 2019 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, traction control, stability control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.